Vans, huh? So instead of
insulating our top.
breaking it down. Sucks, huh? So more insulating, huh? More vapor barrier. Never ends. Alright, progress. A very tricky vapor barrier. Hi Duck, you want to drive? You can't drive because the check engine light just came on and the van doesn't work anymore. Should we just give it to Haiduk? You can have it as a kennel.
Oh, don't say that.
Yeah, bittersweet day, huh? Getting the bulkhead done. It's starting to look better. This is just, well, it's glue and sealer. Ooh, bulkhead! Oh, this one's been a real challenge, huh? We took it to the mechanic a few days ago, had the glow plugs changed. They weren't causing an issue. But the check engine light came on yesterday when we were driving and it started losing power. It's now on our way to the mechanic today to get it checked. We broke down on the highway. And so now we're waiting for a tow.
7 kilometers away from the mechanic.
7 kilometers away. Vans, huh? So the check engine light came on, the powertrain light came on, the ESP light came on.
Everything. So like blink, blink, blink.
And she lost more and more power until eventually she wouldn't go. And we stopped, turned her off, and now she won't turn back on again. Back memories of lemonade. Breaking it down. Sucks, huh? Hopefully this week if they have time. Apparently it's a particle filter. I hope it's... He didn't say how much. It's apparently all fixed up, huh Bunny? They cleaned out the filter and it was really filthy. So they said it's all working now. It started.
Hey, yeah, the ESP light on.
Where's that light on? Bad news. The ESP button is not working. That happiness lasted all of like 2 minutes. Turned the car on, all the lights were clear. Haven't even moved it. And first the ESP light came on and then the check engine light came on. We're still at the mechanics. Van life.
Up there.
The EGR valve is stuck. That was yesterday. And we're about to go turn her on and see if something else breaks. Okay, first start after what, new glow plugs, new particle filter, or EGR valve cleaned. Right, so far so good, no lights. Let's drive to Dedeman and go see how it goes, huh?
Yeah. But you suck!
Well, you suck.
You suck!
You suck.
You suck!
You suck!
Suck
Alright,
more than I do.
so we got, no way, that's impossible, you suck the most. We got the van back and she's working, and so we've started working on the van again. We're using vinyl to cover this up. Same on this side, and then we will silicone in along this edge to give it a nice joint. Let me do that for you, I'm really good at it.
No.
Let me do that.
No.
I'm really good, I can do it.
No, because you suck.
It's still gonna need another layer or so.
We're about to start mission. Finish the ceiling.
So, because the van is curved, we can't put one long piece across, so we have to do it in pieces. So we're going to try and slot this in. It's about as big as you can go, and then we're going to screw this angle along underneath it, and it's going to rest on there. Alright, keep on, keep it on. Another pizza day, because we're doing a full work day.
I was supposed to cook today, but he wouldn't let me.
It's because we're working. Look what we're doing. We're doing the edging. You want to spend 2 hours cooking when we only work for 6 hours a day. Look at that edge. We're going to paint this silver white, of course. We got the holes for the swing. I'll start up here. Oh, and then the back piece up here. Today is packing day. Say hi, Duke. Because we are leaving tomorrow to go down to Ploiesti. Look at her. But we got the roof in and the bulkhead, and the roof's looking really nice. We started doing a few of the little touches, going over any join lines with the wood joints. It's all swept out. Look, underneath all those boxes, we've got a floor. Today's moving day, as long as the van doesn't break down again. And we're driving down to Ploiesti for about a week, and then we go to London. Arrivederci!
Bye! I took.
We're off!
We're
I lived there for 4 months.
Yeah. I can talk.
That's good chooch. So far she's working. Just pushed in, right?
Pushed in, yeah. Such a pretty sunset.
Christmas lights! Trees.
Good morning.
Almost afternoon. So we are in Ploiesti and we've just emptied the van, and today is a paint day. It's turning white. Look at that paint. It's turning white. Well, it's white and brown because it's just the first layer. And the back doors are getting their first layer. To our second coat. Painted our first on the steps, and there's a little bug on there. Like it. Hi.
Day 2 of painting the inside. Yeah.
Nice. So yeah, the ceiling is looking, so obviously it's wet at the moment, but it will have a little bit of a shine to it like this.
So stiff. I tried to cut that and then I fucked it up, so now he's gonna try to fix it.
Fucked it up!
Oh, you made it even worse.
Gluing this metal edging down on the step. Finishes it off nicely. Putting the furniture inside Calinas' mum's house. First coat.
Painting.
Where are you?
Nice, Bunny.
Look at that furniture. So there will be no...
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience.
I'm trying to build drawers for the first time. See? They require a lot of straight edges, which is not my forte.
Oh, and by the way, it's the 20th of December. See that t-shirt?
There are all the pieces of the first drawer. It's gonna work, Bunny. A bit of wood glue, some screws into the side. I think that's gonna be plenty strong enough. Well, number 2.
The moment of truth has arrived. What?
No,
Doesn't work?
it doesn't tilt up high enough because the back piece is just a little bit too wide. No! You can't even get it over. Fail.
Take number 1. Fail.
We trimmed off the back. Look at that. Third, fourth time's the charm. So with that little groove cut out, you can now tilt it in. And with the back cut out, yes!
Good job, Bunny.
So it basically took me the whole day to build 2 drawers. Gentle there, bro. This thing is built by me. Be gentle with it. Did we learn something from the first drawer? Oh. Oh! Wow. That one works much better. Another day, more building. Today I fixed on the top for the cooker area and the top door for our couch. Any revisions? We have all our marks. So this is the base, this is the front, And those are the two side pieces, and that's a leftover piece. And we got a couple of pieces inside left over. So van pieces are starting to take shape. This is how the layout will be in the van. We're just checking to make sure everything fits. We're building that giant drawer there now. Cleaner's sanding down the pieces are just chopped. Drawer sliders on. There's a second piece. And we'll slide that on, and then I should be able to bloody sheep. It's our Romanian Christmas. It's a post-vegan Christmas, except for that, which is for me and one or two other people. Calina and her grandma and her mum.
Crăciun fericit!
Oh, what?
Crăciun fericit.
Xmas. Let's fly London. Goodbye. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
Oh, you damn shit.
That's how my mum talks to me on Christmas.
Brina, Taryn.
Get my name right. You didn't get my name right on Christmas. Abused child. It's Merry Christmas morning. Morning, buddy. Morning, Merry Christmas. Bruh. Nice. That's a little. What are you talking about? That's a normal serving.
No, I haven't even got a whole chicken on my plate.
I can handle that, bro.
They don't call us the top point for nothing.
Nice. Hey, buddy. We're having hello, mum. Fish and chips.
Good.
Got it?
Yep.
You king of the castle, Benny. Alright, so today we're at the castle. Windsor Castle. So, welcome to Brighton, Bunny. Hey, how come they get so? Welcome to Brighton.
The local people.
Oh, look at the size of that fish.
Thank you, mate.
Beautiful.
Where are you going? Oh, nice. That was Brighton Pier. Good meal?
Music is off the hook.
They made a mistake,
Free starter.
and so they brought us a starter platter for free,
Oh, looks like it's been
which we're having before we eat 48 chicken wings each. I thought you were going to get the big plate, mate.
I got the small one, small portion.
Oh, excuse me. Making space for. You can do it, bro. It'd be rude not to. Thanks, Mum, for cooking. Don't be a pussy. Eh? Meh. Just had a nice lunch. And now we're gonna go home, finish getting packed. Thanks, Mum, for the last 10 days.
Thank you for the
Merry
last
Christmas.
10 days.
Happy New Year.
Oh, it's really beautiful.